Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this quick and short tutorial video on how to find your Instagram top 9 posts of 2019. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called best9.net, and I'll link that up in the description of this video so you can go ahead and click that. So then when you're on best9.net, what you want to do is just put in your Instagram username. This isn't going to connect to Instagram. You don't have to create an account and there is no watermark. So all you do is enter your Instagram username and then you click on get, and that will load up your top 9 posts of Instagram for 2019. And as you can see, I've got 725,000 likes with 409 posts for 2019, and you can choose between original and square format. I like the original much better, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. Now if you want to go ahead and save this so you can upload it to your Instagram, what you want to do is just hold down on the image, select download image, and then that is going to download that image to your device. As you can see, that's downloaded. Another thing you can do if you don't want to download it, you can just take a quick screenshot and then you can edit it and crop it out just how you want it for your Instagram post, and then that is saved to my device as an image, and then I can just upload that to my Instagram account that way. Now the second option you can do to get your top 9 posts for Instagram of 2019 is to use an app if you prefer that, but I'll share with you why I wouldn't recommend using the app in a moment. So this app is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple iOS Store, and all it is called is Top 9 for Instagram. So you go ahead and search for that and then you install that to your device, and then I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like. It's called Top 9. All you do is put in your Instagram username. So I'll go ahead and do that. Click continue, and now you have an option to enter your email or continue without an email address. So I'll just tap on this and I won't use an email. That will not give you any support, but we don't really need support, so continue without support, and then that is going to load up your top 9. Okay, and once it's done processing, you can open it up with Instagram, and this is the part I don't like. So it's going to open up with Instagram right now, and you will have to log in here. So I'm just going to log in really quickly. Okay, I'm going to log in, and this is the part that I'm not too happy with the app. So what you need to do is, I won't save my info, and this is the problem right here. It wants to connect top 9 to Instagram, and Instagram in 2019 is really cracking down on third-party apps, and you run the risk of getting an action block if you connect an unauthorized app to your Instagram account. Now I'm not sure if top 9 is authorized by Instagram, but just to be safe, I wouldn't authorize this app to connect to my Instagram account so I don't run the risk of getting an action block. So I wouldn't recommend using this app if you want to avoid any type of action block or limitations on your account. So the best option would be to use best9.net for Instagram to get your top 9 posts. It's very simple to do, like I just showed you. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it, and if you want to see more videos just like this, subscribe to the channel for daily videos, everything social media and technology, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace guys.